So let's quickly have a view at the situation of solar eclipse. That is how solar eclipse looks with respect to the frame of reference of fixed stars. Most of you would already know what a solar eclipse really is and how it works. Still, it will be very nice to kind of see it in 3D and visualize it. So let's begin. So there is an existing simulation in this that will load. The simulation is loading now. Okay, now just switch off the orbits. Now you can see the shadows there. That is actually the shadow of the moon. So if you rotate it, let's find where the moon is. It must be directly opposite to the shadow, right? So it must be somewhere there. Okay, let's keep on rotating it. Find the moon. Oh look, there it is. Focus on the cursor that I will be moving. So here's the sun and here's the moon. The thing is that sun is uh, throwing light on half of the earth. So on half of the earth it is dark, as you can see, and on another half of the earth it's the day. Okay, and the moon in the event of the solar eclipse is just in the straight line joining the sun and the earth's center. So now the moon has moved a bit off of that line, so we'll just load it again. Okay, this is going to work. Okay, so quickly let's see where the moon is. Let it not go this time anywhere. So there is the moon. As you can see, the sun, the earth and the moon, all three of them are in a line, as you can see, and the shadow of the moon must be visible somewhere here. Again the moon has moved off, so we'll just load it again. And see, this is the shadow. As the moon will move about the earth, as it will orbit the earth, the shadow will appear to move on earth. So that is why these the patch of darkness that the moon casts on the earth by acting as an obstruction to the path of light from the sun to earth is not stationary, it moves. And the reason is that the moon is moving, it is orbiting. So as it orbits, that patch of darkness will also move on the earth's surface, and over time that patch of dark will move across the portion of the earth which is on which it is day, and it will ultimately move to the portion on which it is night. So currently it has moved to the portion which is night. So that's it. That is how the solar eclipse works. It is quite rare situation for the sun, moon and earth to come in one line. So whenever that happens, and if you are on lucky enough location on earth where it is day, then you might be able to observe the shadow of the moon casted on the earth. That is all the solar eclipse is.